So to prepare an environment for a successful vision system, one has to try and keep the environment as stable or as static as possible. So any variability can really affect the performance of your vision system. We found that varying light conditions can have a factor, vibrations, these kind of things. We often create a booth or some form of closed off environment, or even just trying to eradicate external factors like daylight. Changing in lighting conditions is definitely a big one. We'll use technologies like infrared lighting or bandpass filters within our equipment that we can actually eradicate daylight entirely. So there's a couple of different techniques and tricks of the trade that we've learned along the way. It's definitely helped us and improved the quality of our systems for sure. So one of the key fundamentals of a successful vision system is that we do require a bit of training. And a lot of people have asked, why can't I detect this very easily? I can see it with the eye and the vision system is struggling. And unfortunately, you can't really compare the two. I'm not an ophthalmologist, but when you analyze something with the human eye, it's not the eye alone that's creating the image. Your brain actually generates the image. Your eye obviously is the device or organ, should I say, that lets the light in. So they are a little bit different, but with AI implementation, things are really improving. We are noticing that with neural network training algorithms in vision systems, it's really coming a long way now. And like human beings, where we kind of know what we're looking for, these systems are starting to learn and adapt and do the same thing. So that's pretty much it. That's a short summary on the vision systems and the technology that we implement here at S4. If you'd like a vision system, please contact us. We'd be happy to help you out. You can contact us on our website or call directly and we'll sort you out. Thank you.